Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this me just Reyes again na nagsasabing enjoy life as always. For today's video guys, actually kasama po natin si Abud ang our travel vlog. Pupunta po kami ngayon sa Alshuba Mountain here in Alhasa. So for today's video guys, Alhasa for today. So see you!
It's hard to understand me, but I keep my own boundaries. Why won't they do the same? I'm tired of being the nice guy. I know I shouldn't be the one complaining right now. I'm the one who did this to me.
Hello Abud, how are you?
Fine, how are you too?
So where we go today?
Alhasa.
We're going to Alhasa.
See you there.
Actually guys, kaya po ako napag-isipan na pumunta sa Alhasa kasi na-miss ko na rin po yung Alhasa. Since ilang years na rin po akong hindi nakapunta, and of course, nagtrabaho po ako ng Alhasa for 2 years. Last way back 2009. Yes. So matagal-tagal na rin ako nakapunta. So I'm trying to go in Alshuba, which is the mountain na talagang hindi pa ata natapos as of the moment. So kailangan nilang pagandahin muna, and then of course matry din yung bridge doon kasi since marami din natang pupunta doon at naririnig ko po is so amazing place talaga siya. So napag-isipan na namin is weekends today na pumunta doon. So Friday kasi wala naman tayong trabaho, so kailangan natin mag-ikot, mag-explore with the Budi, and of course our travel vlog lagi sumusuporta sa ating vlog, nagiging suporta sa pagta-travel kasama ko. So, see you, and sana hindi po kayo magsasawa sa kakapanood ng aking YouTube channel. So, see you, and explore more. Bye-bye! Yan guys, as you can see talagang nasa disyerto po tayo for today's video, no? Habang malakas ang kanyang pagpapatakbo ng kanyang to match 160. So amazing. Ganyan talaga sa magpatakbo. Dito na tayo sa disyerto. Yes. Diba? Amazing. About where's this place?
This place is Sakgekyo. Another place, Indar.
Indar.
Yes.
And then go straight to Alhasa, right?
Yes. We have also Ayun, Brah, we have Hafuf. When you arrive at Hafuf, that's Nasa.
Oh, very nice. Because since here in Alhasa, Abud is from Alhasa, so you know everything Alhasa. Then after that,
Then you can see anything, see Sakgekyo. It's normal.
perfect. So guys, malapit-lapit na po tayo sa Alshuba Park and Hanging Bridge. So we will try for that. So I think this is the time to make enjoy life. Yes, diba? Amazing. We'll try for that. Here we go guys. Now in Alshuba Mountain here in Alhasa. For today's video ay mag-celebrate tayo at mag-enjoy while the travel adventure here for Justin Reyes vlog. Eh, always nagsasabing ng enjoy life as always. Diba? guys, we're here. Actually, actually, napakainit here in Saudi Arabia. At saka, pero napakahangin naman ang area. So, it's fine. See, ito na pong area. Kung saan, i-discover muna natin for a while. Diba? Amazing. So guys, papunta na kami sa bridge. Na-try namin dito yung bridge tips. Actually, bubukas pa lang. So, let's find out. Actually, napakalit. So, it's fine. So, let's do this. Let's do this about. Go. Are you ready? So guys, actually, ito po yung pinaka-first bridge. Dito po yung pinaka-first bridge. Talagang okay pa siya. Samantala dito, pinaka-pangalawang bridge is ito naman. Talagang po yun, dinuduyan kayo kasi masyado. Ata siya, longest na bridge, yung bridge. Yun, yan po pinaka-lapas. So guys, we're here now in Hanging Bridge here in Al-Nasri, and together with, of course, as we just travel buddy. So, how's your phone? It's my buddy, it's nice to you. And I think they don't really feel soon. I think there's a table here. So, next year naman namin dito sa Fiji. So, see. This one, chicken and eggs. So guys, ang ganda ng Tanawin. Ito yung mga malalaking bato actually. Yan po yung pinaka-bridge doon for Alsuba Bridge. Hanging bridge the area doon sa taas. Perfect, di ba? Here. Amazing. So see you in my next vlog. Bye. Yan lang guys. Actually, ang layo, ang lawak ng area dito sa Alsuba, sa Hanging Bridge here in Alhasa. So, kakapagod lang maglakad. So, at least, na-try natin and i-vlog ito ati travel. Vlog natin, i-content natin for a while. So, pero, for me, it's amazing place. Napaka-relaxing, of course, you know. And of course, kasi since na wala pa masyadong tao, so, parang good for, for reminiscing everything. If you have some problems and everything, and if you have some, what do you call this one? Yeah, problems, obstacles in life. So, kailangan nyo po mag-reminisce dito sa area kasi napakaganda. Napakaganda actually. See? Very nice. Yun nga lang, mainit lang yung area. Kasi, alam mo yun na, Saudi Arabia, ito lang talaga ang pinakaano ng Saudi Arabia, yung mainit na lugar. So, I'm using my, of course, Aminya bags. Yun lang guys for today's video. And see you for my next travel vlog again. Kung saan po natin ikutin ang Saudi Arabia. That is my plan for today. And that's my plan when I come back here in Saudi Arabia, of course. So, actually, nag-enjoy ako. Amazed. Inshallah, sa southern part na naman tayo magbablogin soon. So, see you to my next vlog. And this is me, Justin Reyes vlog. And this is enjoy life as always. Don't forget to enjoy life as always because life is too short. So, see you.